In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Gemini for research in 2026. Gemini is a powerful AI tool that helps you find information, summarize topics, compare ideas, and generate structured research faster than traditional search engines. First, open Gemini on your browser or mobile app and sign in with your Google account. Once you're inside, you'll see a chat-style interface where you can start asking questions directly. Now type your research topic in a clear way. For example, instead of just writing AI, you can write Explain AI Trends in 2026 with examples. The more specific your question, the better and more accurate the results you will get. Next, use follow-up prompts to go deeper into your topic. You can ask things like, summarize this, compare these two ideas, or give pros and cons. Gemini will continue the conversation and refine the information step by step. You can also use Gemini to organize research. Ask it to create outlines, bullet points, or study notes. This is very useful for students, bloggers, and content creators who need structured information quickly. Finally, always verify important facts by checking sources or cross-referencing with other tools, especially for academic or professional work. So that's how you use Gemini AI for research in 2026, fast, simple, and powerful for learning and content creation.